We are given this system of linear equations and they ask us which of these points lies on the graph of each equation in the system. The first thing to note is that this is a system where the two lines overlap each other. To see that, take equation 1 and multiply it by 5 on both sides. Then we get 10x plus 15y equals 35 on the right side. So we obtain exactly equation 2 when we take equation 1 and multiply it by 5 on both sides. Then these equations are identical. So I'm going to omit equation 2 and proceed with the first equation because numbers are smaller here and easier to deal with. So what do we do now? We need to check whether this line passes through which of these points. The only way to do it is plug each of these points and see whether this equation is satisfied or not. So I'm going to start with the easiest choices. So I'm going to start, for instance, with choice C, where I'm going to plug R for X and solve for Y and see whether I get this or not. Let's do it. Does this value equal to the value we are given here? No, there's a sign difference, so the line cannot pass through this point. What about this? When x takes value r, what do we get? We get this. This doesn't equal this value either, so it can't be this. So we are left with choices A and B. What do we do now? Well, we need to try a point again. So this is the easier point. I'm gonna plug r for y this time and solve for x. And see whether I get this value for x or not. Minus 3 on both sides. Yeah, for x value, we get exactly this point. So this line passes through this point, and B is our answer. Let me know any questions.